Step 7. Submit a test print. To access the Serendipity test prints, you must have access to the files. If these options do not appear on your Submit window, you will need to download the files. The test prints can be downloaded into the software by using the Install Additional Software option in the Server Help menu. Go to the Blackmagic or Megarip server window. Select the Help menu and Install Additional Software option. A window will appear. This is the Serendipity Updater application, where you can find any patch releases for installation, and other items like test prints and HTML plugins required for some drivers. In the Additional Software tab, select the calibration form and Quick Cal to download. Once done, you can close the Updater window and return to the Serendipity Client Workbench window. Now, you can select the Submit menu, Test Prints option. In the Submit window, select the page setup created earlier, and tick the Quick Cal Test Print. Make sure the Hold After Rendering option is enabled to stop the print from being sent to the printer once processing is finished. This way we can check all is good without wasting paper or ink. Select the Submit button when ready. The test print will be sent for processing. Go to the Jobs application to see the job processing in the queue. It will go through the various stages of imaging and rendering before being held, so it can be checked before sending to print. When the job is in a held printing state, select it in the list and click the View Printed button. This will open the Soft Proof application to view the job. With a correct calibration, the print will appear as expected. If you are seeing correct results, you are ready to start submitting jobs. If you want to see a printed sample, simply go to the Jobs window, select the Quick Cal and click the Release button. This will send the job to the printer for printing.